Are we on? Let me get this positioned out of the way here. Get that there. Boom. We are live. What's going on, YouTube fam? Welcome back to another stream. Great to have you guys here. Can you guys see my? Can you see me? Cool. Let me know if you guys can hear me all good. Let me just pop up chat here. Let me just get up the chat. Had a look at the markets 15 minutes ago and decided not to trade. Best of luck. Hope you catch some nice pips. Thank you, Blake. Hope you're good as well, man. Gonna see what the markets bring today. I've had a fantastic week. But yeah, still gonna monitor, see what the markets are saying. Hopefully catch some nice positions on this fun coupon Friday. I'm gonna get my weekly report from my broker any second, and I'll share it with you guys. Let me see if we got it already. No, not yet. Good afternoon, Matthew. What's going on, man? Good to have you here, bro. Good to have you guys here. But yeah, guys, after the stream on Wednesday, we stayed on Zoom for a little bit longer, and GJ absolutely dumped. Insane drop. I was kind of gutted I didn't get to stay on YouTube for a little bit longer. I should have just carried the stream on a little bit longer to be able to catch that move with you guys, because it was a crazy move. But if you guys caught it because the analysis was on point, very well done. But hey, that day's done now. We're on to a new day. We're gonna see what today brings. Nathan, how's it going, man? Good to have you on the stream, brother. Hopefully we'll have a banger for your first time on the stream. Great, just on the streams has been fantastic, sharing some incredible positions live, executing with you guys. So hopefully we'll take some positions today, see what the markets are saying. But yeah, how's everyone's week been? Have you guys made money, lost money? Let me put in a poll. Even if you've lost money, just be honest. You know, it's completely okay. Even if you've lost money, if you stuck to the plan, amazing. Let me get this up. Alright, let's get a poll going, see what's going on over here. Good morning, man, good morning. What's going on? What's going on? Michael? Boys are in the chat. Alright, let me just get the day trading strategy up for you guys as well. Alright, let me see. Channel. Day trading strategy video has been doing incredible, so it's amazing to see you guys that have actually been taking the time to watch it. Lost money, but it's okay. Hey, nothing wrong with that, man. You're being honest. That's good. That's what we like to hear. There's nothing wrong with taking losses in the markets, guys. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. Don't let any furu tell you that they never take losses. Losses are all part of the game. As long as you stuck to your plan, hey, that's the most important part. I'll pin this to the chat so you guys can watch the day trading strategy at any point, just so you know how I'm going to be trading today. So the poll is. I'll let the poll run for a little bit more. 9 votes on the poll. I've had the worst week in 2 months. 3 red days in a row, but one profitable trade covers for all my losses. Blake hit the nail on the head right there. That's how it is, man. 3 red days made up by 1 winning trade. That's fucking amazing, man. Very good risk management, bro. Well done. Very, very well done. I like that you guys have said that you've lost money, because it just shows the transparency of the community that we're creating here, and it's good to see you guys being honest. And like I say, there's absolutely nothing wrong with taking losses in the markets. You are in the business of losing, and you are going to lose trades, so it's really, really good to see. Hey Angel, what's going on? Dawid, how's it going, bro? Rayad, good to have you here again, man. Good to have you boys here again. Remember, guys, drop a little like for the stream. Hit 15 likes and I'll start sharing my screen and we'll start making some bank. GJ is currently in a bit of a range. Gold's currently having a little sell-off from a key level I've got of 1933. Really nice resistance level. Just wicked out the previous high, which we will run over in a second as well. I'm just going to start sharing the Zoom link with the community squad, and then we'll get cracking. Let's just quickly check the fundamentals for the day. I think there's some US news later on. Yeah, so we've got US news later on at 2 p.m. London time. So I think we're all in the clear today. So we should have a nice clean volume London session. We got some low pound news at 9:30 a.m. So yeah, we're looking good for a fun coupon Friday. Alright, let's check the poll. 15 votes in, so 33% had a good week, 20% negative week, 47% break-even week. So that's very, very good results. Very, very good results. I'll let a few people more vote as well. But yeah, that's why it's good to come on these Friday streams, Wednesday, Friday streams, and just recap the week, see how the weekly candle is forming and closing, and then we can get a good understanding of what to follow through for the next week, and hopefully take some trades as well. 1 win, 1 L, sticking to the plan. Good man. Very, very good man. That's the key. Stick to the plan. Stick to the plan at all times. That's all you got to do. All you got to do is stick to the plan. Hey, Garth, how's it going, man? Good to have you here, man. Hope you're all well. Hope you're doing good. Living that Dubai life. Alright, let me just invite the community onto Zoom, and then we'll get going. Hey, thank you, Garth. We've been adapting a lot in the community, doing more intraday trading, scalping, and it's been fantastic, to be honest, man. It's amazing to be able to share it on YouTube as well. Even just doing the YouTube streams twice a week, Wednesday and Friday, we've been able to catch some absolute bangers just on them 2 days alone. So it's been really, really good to showcase that. Obviously it can be a bit unpredictable, just doing 2 days to showcase my full expertise, if you want to say, but it's been really fucking good, man. It's been really, really good. All right, I'll let the community guys join the Zoom, and then we'll start sharing some analysis. I'm just waiting for a little bit more on gold and GJ, but then we'll start. I'm going to clean off all my analysis, and we'll do it fresh with you guys as well. Let's clean off all my levels here, and let's make it super clean. I don't know if any of you guys are on the YouTube stream based in Australia or Asian session time, but Asian session this week for me has been fucking fantastic. I very rarely trade Asian session just because I prefer to stick to just London and maybe a little bit of pre-New York. But recently, I have a dog now, so I've been home a lot during the day. And I've been on my laptop, been able to look at the charts a lot more, and just been briefly watching the Asian session. And this week it's been fantastic. On Thursday, I had a 100 pip drop in the Asian session with literally like a 0 drawdown position, which is just incredible. It's very, very rare to get such big moves in the Asian session, but with the volume that's there, we have to take advantage of it, and it's been very, very nice. Right, let me let everyone in on stream. Boys are joining. Let me share my screen here. Boom, 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 boom. Share my screen. All right, let me share my screen with you guys on YouTube as well. Boom, there we go. All right, let me just make this a little bit bigger. Cool. All right. Let me turn this up a bit. I can't hear you guys on Zoom. All right, cool. Let me get the Zoom chat up. What's going on, Zoom guys? Good to have you back. Another day making that bag. Anyone let me know if you can hear the fan on. It's freaking hot as hell in here, so I have to have the fan on. But if it's too noisy, let me know and I can turn it down. I was sweating this heat just for you guys. Let me get this up. Let me see who else is joining. All right. Where is my screen sharing? Cool. Hopefully you guys on YouTube can see my screen now. Garth liquidity grab in play on S&P. We'll take a look, man. We'll take a look. But yeah, very well. Let's just look at GJ first, then we'll go to gold. Lovely pushes up yesterday on GJ after grabbing. Sorry, not yesterday. Yesterday after grabbing this low here. Nice strong push up. Really big move. I know I already shared this on Wednesday, but for anyone who wasn't on the Wednesday stream, we had amazing trades on EJ in London on Tuesday. Amazing position there, and then on GJ we were very close to taking the shorts on stream as well up here. After we ended the YouTube stream, we stayed on Zoom for a little bit longer and we had this absolute banger drawn up. We didn't take it just because of the low volume and there was news coming out, but it was an incredible risk reward if we had executed, just like the EJ position. We were going to have some sells in below this previous low here with stops just above the previous, and yeah, it would have been absolutely ridiculous move. And for you guys on YouTube, this setup right here is the exact strategy that I have posted in the poll, and this is literally the banger position that we would have caught. Absolutely ridiculous risk reward. 0 drawdown on that position as well. So yeah, we've been calling the markets very well this week, but that's that trade done. We move on. Let's focus on the next trade and let's see what we're looking at for today. Let's get to price. Let's go on. Let's start on the hourly. Start on the daily. Actually, let's do full top down analysis. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, so GJ has been very difficult recently because it's been very range bound. However, the range on GJ is that large that it's worth playing. It's a 400 pip range. Usually I don't like trading ranges, but when it's 400 pips, I'll trade that all day. So on Tuesday, GJ broke out of 163, and then the previous day we broke back below and also broke below 1615, and then respected 160. And then yesterday, it was looking like we were going to retest 165 and then go lower. Sorry, 1615 and go lower. However, we've closed back above 1615. Now we're testing the lows of the range. So where could we see this potentially go next? Well, maybe we'll come back up to the highs of this range for 150 pip move. Asian session on this daily candle has created this bottom wick. Okay, so we've broken above, we've now had the retest pre-London Asia, and now we're currently getting that push up. If we're going to have a big drive lower, we're at least going to come and grab the previous daily high and probably come and grab these levels up here, and if we can get it, we might retest 163. So my bias today on GJ could potentially be long. I say potentially because I want to see more price action. If we go into the hourly, we can see GJ is just stuck between this little range. How much of a pip range is this? Is this worth taking? 40 pip range could be worth it. Have we had any? Let me just put this level. I have my weekly and daily levels hidden off the lower time frames, but I'm going to keep this one on because this is a lower time frame level. I'll keep 1615 on 160. That's just to stay on the higher time frame. We'll get that off. I don't want that on the minute chart. What level we got here? 1685. I'll just keep this on the higher time frames. Cool, already is. Amazing. Okay, cool. Now, yeah, 15 minute. We're just going to wait for a nice breakout on GJ because we're trapped within this range and I want to see a nice breakout. We had a really nice fake out here. We had that resistance. We broke above, broke back below, retested, and now we're currently retesting again. And if we're going to have a drop lower and come and retest some of these highs before potentially going higher, then this is the high that we have to grab before we can do that. So currently in a position now on GJ where this is make or break. Are we going to liquidate this high and drop lower, or are we going to fully break above, retest and go higher? Make or break right now on GJ. So let's just wait for the 15 and 30 minute close to then understand. How's that 30 minutes starting to form? We did grab that previous low, had that strong push up, came back for the retest. Yeah, it's going to be interesting. If GJ closes back below this level on the 30 minute, then we could see a drive down into the lows of the range. And very simply, maybe come and retest some highs around here. If we get a nice entry, could see a 60 pip move. However, if the 30 minute breaks above this level, then we can get longs, and I could see GJ come all the way back to, you know, retest some levels up here, which would be even nicer because it's much bigger of a range where we could get 100 pip moves. So I would like to long GJ, but hey, we don't give a shit. I don't care if I want to go long or short. All I'm going to trade is the way the 30 minute closes, and it's as simple as that. Quick look at gold, NZD USD. Oh, this is pushing up nicely. Shared this setup in the community. Look at that from our level. Bam, 80 pips. Let me just share that in with the community. Shared this on Wednesday. The NZD USD had to come up and grab these highs up here. So let me just share an update on that position. Making its way up. Over 80 pip push. Cool. Yeah, I shared that update on yesterday when we were trading around here, and now we're getting a solid shot. But gold. So very simple levels again on gold. Gold is currently trapped between these two levels. We've just grabbed this previous high. We're currently having that retest. We could have a little drive down here, and gold could see a potential. We're gonna have a quick instant trade here, 30 pip move, because you could take sales on the break of that low. Stops above this current 5 minute, targeting somewhere down here. Oh, let me get make sure I've got my account up and ready to go. Alright, let me just see what's going on here. Alright, let me just see. I may put in this little gold trade just for a little quick instant position because it's looking pretty nice to me. Let me just go here on the 5 minutes. So stop loss would be maybe here, but that's a bit too big because then it's a shit risk reward. Kind of would want it above this current 5 if we're going to get the volume to drive back down into these levels. I think we could get away with that. What am I? I'm on the 15 minute here. Let me just see how it would look here. Why's my brightness so low? So sells would be there. Sells below the previous 5 minute with stops above. Okay. I'm putting this selling on gold. Very early trade. I'm just putting in half risks just because I want to get a feel for the markets early on, and I'll add more once we break this support. We've got 5 more minutes to this 15-minute closes. The 30 minutes still respecting that resistance after liquidating that previous high without, you know, breaking, and we haven't really grabbed and retested any significant levels down here. So to me, if gold, if gold couldn't flip bearish in this 15-minute, this is the last 15-minute of the 30-minute candle, and we're also coming into the last 5 minute of the 15 to 30-minute candle as well. So if there's any 5-minute candle that needs to be important, it's this candle right now. This candle needs to have a nice drive down for me to want to hold this. But yeah, then we could be coming down to, you know, retest some highs down here, maybe grab this 5-minute low here. Kind of got a little double bottom there on the 5 minute, which looks pretty nice to me. Look at that little double bottom there. Could come back down, liquidate that, It's not the best risk to reward, but still 20 pip move. We hold it down a little bit longer, could see a nice quick instant 2% profit. So let's see. I'm just going to wait for this 5-minute close, and I'm not going to do anything until then. Let's see. But if gold breaks this level here, I will cancel the order. What's going on, Tim? We got some sells in on sell stops in on gold.
Yeah, well, I haven't hit the go button on it yet, but I'm looking at selling gold.
Good man. Good man. I'm just seeing if we get a nice drive in this current 5.
I just want to see this get past those last 3 candles.
These little ones.
Yeah. Once it drives through that section.
Yeah. Yep. How are your magic key trading you bought? Blake, I got it here, but I haven't managed to set it up yet because when I'm running MT4 on my Mac, I'm running Parallels to run Windows, and it's becoming a bit of a ball ache to set up. So I'm actually debating just buying a PC for this room because streaming, trading, everything, and zooming off my Mac is probably gonna get a bit too much. So if anyone knows of any good PC recommendations, I know absolutely fuck all about PCs, then please do let me know, because I'm probably going to buy a PC, but I know absolutely nothing about PCs. And I had a look today, and some of them were like crazy money to do with these like water features. I was like, I have no idea what the fuck any of this means. I just want a PC to trade and stream from. But yeah, I haven't managed to set it up. But I was struggling setting it up. We'll see. I think we'll get it going. Blake, for some reason I used to run it fine on my Mac, and then all of a sudden every time I open it, it just closes, just shuts down straight away, literally every single time. So I have no idea why it does that, but it only happened, I don't know, a couple of months back now. It was completely fine, then one day I opened it and then it just will not open now. It just shuts down every single time. It's pretty annoying. If gold doesn't trigger in this current 5-minute here, then I'll cancel the order, because I think we could maybe come back, liquidate this 5-minute, maybe tap into these levels here, create a nice little left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and then we could drive down, and then I would look to take a nicer risk to reward. So if we don't trigger in this current 5-minute and get a nice strong push break of the support, I will manage the position if we get triggered, or I would just cancel the order. Morning, Adam. How's it going, man? I just got the on-screen keys. First day using it. Rami, nice. Let me know how you go, man. Let me know. How long we got? We got 1 more minute to this kind of close. Is gold gonna do what gold does, where it almost waits to the last second to have the drop?
Yeah, and then takes off.
Yeah, literally. You wait for the last 10 seconds on gold, it looks like it's not doing anything, then boom, either straight back down or straight back up. But this current 15 needs to close bearish for me, because otherwise the 30 minutes can be leaving a wick. So if this doesn't flip down in the next 30 seconds, my finger is on the trigger to cancel the order. So let's see, we got 20 seconds. Because if we don't drop here, we could go and grab the 5-minute high one more time. We're just creating some little trend line liquidity here as well. Little retail trend line like this. People are trying to buy right now. It's the more reason why I'm more inclined to short this. Could potentially short back down to lows of these range. I probably won't hold that much depending on volume. But yeah, we'll see. Okay, I cancelled the order. I'm going to wait for a little bit more. I'm happy to wait for a little bit more there. Order is out, because now that we didn't break that support in this 5-minute, we could grab these lows and then push higher. And the last thing we want is to get triggered in a sell stop and then run straight up to the highs. So I'm personally going to wait for a little bit more. If we can pull back up and at least grab the previous 5-minute and hopefully grab this high here, then I'll do the exact same thing again. That's annoying as heck. Sorry to have an answer. If you want a PC just to stream and enter trades off, you don't need anything insane. If you wanted videos, maybe even came. Oh, let me have a look at that one, Blake. Thank you, man. I just think I know absolutely nothing about PCs. Let me have a look, man. I'll Google that and have a look after. Thank you, man. PC case gear. Okay. High potential sell on EJ. Yeah, let's have a look. Still watching GJ. I don't want to miss GJ. GJ, look at that. Grabbing this previous 5-minute high, which is the high we need to liquidate before we can potentially have a pushback down. Now we've just got this 30-minute close on everything. Let's have a look how we're forming. GJ trading back below our level. If we can maybe retest these levels, I'll set an alert and consider some potential longs. Nice 30-minute close on gold though. Really nice, respecting this resistance, having an initial push up. Like I say, I imagine any retailer who's in gold right now, what are they doing? They're buying the support and they got their stops just below here. So for me, if gold can push up, I'm very interested in selling gold. Very interested in selling gold. So let me take a look at EJ. I just don't want to miss gold. Oh, GJ pushing back lower now. Could be fake out. I'll only short GJ if we close below this level. So I'm happy to wait for that.
It's following my markup a little bit too precisely.
Ooh, look at that. EJ with the liquidity grab. Get off. Oh, fuck off.
Oh, I should be going in this short.
Yeah, this is looking nice. Look at that. Just liquidated the highs. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, let's wait for the 5 minutes to close. I'm just gonna look at gold. I'm gonna have GJ on. Yeah, really nice one there on EJ. Anyone trying to short there? Just been liquidated. Nice pushback down now. Very nice pushback down. Is GJ following through as well? Yeah. Cool. I'll wait for a 5-minute closure and we can sell GJ. Holy shit, it's hot, man. Mr. Ripper on EU this morning to fit the plan. All good, man. All good. Shit happens. Shit happens. Just move on to the next trade, man. Move on to the next trade. Yes, you can. You can trade just off commissions. You can get raw spread accounts on some brokers. I trade a raw spread account on Blueberry Markets. Gold, got a little bit more time on gold. Let's watch GJ. If we get a nice closure here on GJ, I'm going to look to short it down into this range. If we get a nice close here, I'll short it down into here for a 50 pip move. Oh shit, my laptop's going to die. Yeah, I need to wait for this closure on GJ. Goldie. Not much yet. 50 pips on EU. Adam, good shit, man. Very, very good shit. I had some sells drawn up on gold today for a little 20 pip move, but I missed it. I was doing fucking training with my dog. I had a little 20 ripper there. I was drawn up like that. Little Asian session scalp, but my dog costed me some money there. I'll let him off. Yeah, for me, gold. GJ has to close below here, otherwise I won't short. I will not short. Okay, no, I'm not shorting just yet. Prisma, yeah, sure. It's pretty much this every other day. And the course is, me just sharing my full strategy, everything I do, my swing trading plan, my day trading plan, sharing all my trade breakdowns as well. I'll share with you guys here very quickly, just to show you what's inside. I just don't want to miss any moves. Where are we? So this is what's in the community. So this is the setup that I shared on NZD USD early on in the week to come and grab that liquidity up there, and then there's me sharing the updates. So these are all the channels you got. I post fundamental updates. We post live trades. There's a break even we took yesterday on stream. That was the EJ banger that we took on 14th of Tuesday. And then you got trade setups. This is me showing my setups. Back testing. You got the whole full trading course, but it shows the YouTube link, so I can't go into that. Oh, you can see them now. And then you got psychology section. There's whole lifestyle section. Got the FW trading adventures, where I'm hosting the Thailand trading retreat, which we are doing in April. I do giveaways as well. And then you got the VIP channel there. You got general chat. You got market chat, where we just share everything about the charts. But yeah, all the full trading courses and everything is all in the community. There's no, join my community and then upsell on some bullshit course. Everything is in the community. How do I get my charts back on stream? Trading view. There we go. Cool. Holy shit, it's hot. GJ 5-minute closed in a flip. Why are we waiting? Because it's rejecting support. GJ is in this range, in an 8 pip range, and it's respecting support. So I personally can't do anything on GJ just yet. Gold, I'm still waiting to short gold. Gold needs to pull up a little bit more, and I'll short. But yeah, GJ, I'd prefer to wait for a 15. I'd wait for a 15 closure, because the 15's bullish. We're currently creating a bottom wick. We could easily, we've already done it. I was about to say we could grab this previous 15 and then rip higher, but we've already done it. So yeah, GJ would have to close bearish on the 5-minute for me to want to short. If this candle closed with no wick here, I'd be shorting right now, 100%. But yeah, we're just consolidating. Yeah, exactly, David. We're just consolidating. But yeah, I'd really like to short gold. I just want to see it just stop up a little bit more. Oh, the man himself.
What's happening?
Better late than never.
I hope you took heaps of positions while I was gone. No. I've actually been working all night, so I am knackered.
Oh, have you not slept?
No, not really.
Damn.
But I haven't had time to. I was considering going on the Asia sesh, but nah, there was no time.
There was a little gold scalp. I was too busy trading my dog. I had a dog trainer come around to the house today. I missed a little scalp on gold.
A gold trader came around your house.
No, a dog trainer came round to my house, so I missed a short on gold.
What mean? What are you doing all day then? Can't you train him?
No. He needs proper training, because he gets really aggressive around other dogs. So we have to get
Picture Aaron sitting there trying to show him charts.
Yeah, he's sick of me teaching him trying to trade, so I've got to keep him amused with someone else during the day.
Oh jeez.
Imagine if you could train him to trade for you.
Oh man, yeah. The dream.
Yeah, you can just be on the beach and the dog will be traded in.
Sounds great. Are you looking for anything in particular yet, Aled? Have you had a look yet?
Honestly, I've just got on the laptop. It's been one heck of a night. All those times that I do nothing in work, last night made up for it.
Hey, if gold grabs this 5-minute high, I'm going to upsell.
He nearly went in the garbage last night. No, honestly, he's not well, so poor bugger.
Oh, that sucks, man. Blake, I'll send you. Blake, drop me a message on Instagram. I'll send you a link, man. Cool.
What are you guys looking at? Gold? Is that just gold?
I'm looking at I'm looking to short gold. I'm waiting for GJ to break below this level after grabbing this previous high, but the past 2 5-minute candles, I can't short that. So I have to wait for this current 5-minute, which is looking very, very bearish. But gold is now liquidating this high, which is where I wanted us to grab before I could short, because the 30 minutes flipped nice after grabbing this previous high.
Yeah.
So
I just got open gold, and it hasn't hit my sell target yet from yesterday, the yellow brick road.
yeah, I think we come back down and retest some levels down here.
Yeah, there you go, yeah, those.
I'm considering putting this in. Let me just go 5 minute. 5 minute. It'd be a very tight stop loss. What would stop loss be? Stop loss would be only around 15 pips. And I'll put it in here. I want to see some signs of rejection. I don't want to miss GJ whilst I'm looking at this. Yeah, I gotta wait for a closure on GJ. If GJ just automatically fills in this range, no entry, so be it. But I cannot short GJ until it's closed below this level, which we still haven't done yet. Although it's looking incredibly bearish now, there has been no closures just yet. Yeah, if gold, how long we got? We've got 3 minutes. So if gold can, reject in the next few minutes, I will consider putting in this short. Stops would be just a few pips above the previous 5 minutes to give it some breathing room. But this is the last 5 minute of the 15. So how's the 15 looking? 15 minutes, just grab the previous 15 minute. So if I can hold below this level, create this little left shoulder, head, right shoulder, we could have a nice drive down. 30 minute is nice. Bearish, respecting this very key resistance here. Come back down, retest these levels. Yeah, it looks good to me. It looks good. I don't want to put in the order just yet. Soon though, very, very soon. Oh, throwing some. Actually, I'm putting it in here. Actually, I'm putting this. The sell order is in for me on gold. There's no other reason. There's no reason to wait for more. It's doing exactly what I want. If I don't put it in and I miss the move, I'll kick myself. There's no reason to not be short in this.
Kick yourself.
So we are in. But this current 5 minute. Oh, sorry, man. Go on. Yeah, sorry. This current 5 minute has to flip bearish in order for me to want to hold the order. GJ pushing down. Gold just doing its thing.
EJ had a lovely push up there when he grabbed those lows. Hey.
Oh man, it was beautiful. I wish I was watching EJ, not GJ. It was fucking well nice.
I'm rather in EJ than GJ.
Yeah, it was well nicer. Because
especially for breaks.
EJ broke it.
500.
Yeah, EJ was very, very nice.
It just shows you, like, you change your bias, because I had it marked up for shorts, but if I'd had it marked up for longs, I probably would have taken it.
Yeah. It's good. That's what it's good, yeah. Unfortunately, I just have to let GJ go. But yeah.
I missed it, but it would have been the perfect play up and then a perfect play down now.
Yeah.
I watched it grab those highs and I'm like, oh, imagine putting an order below that wick for a drive down. And
so clean.
It's all hindsight.
Yeah, EJ was definitely the nicer option today, because it broke the level, whereas GJ hadn't closed below this, whereas GJ hadn't closed below here, whereas EJ had broken below. So yeah,
I'm starting to prefer EJ.
Yeah, me too, man. Me too.
The moves are a little bit cleaner and it's a little bit less choppy.
I agree. Right, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Okay. No, I'm not short on gold yet. 15 minutes just closed bullish after closing bearish. Look at that. Bearish, retest, now closing bullish. I'm not short on gold yet. Right, let me see if we can get an entry here on GJ. See, we're respecting the support. If we can pull back up, I'll be looking for shorts. As long as you don't grab this 5 minute low, I'm happy to look for shorts on GJ.
I'm hoping I make it home in time for a trade.
Yeah, you got time, man. You got time. Because GJ looks like you've missed it, but then you actually look at this. It's got so much room. GJ could easily come back down and retest 160. So we get a nice closure here, a nice little retest, and we could get like a potential 100 pip drop. So this would be a first target, but in terms of a actual good retracement to rip higher today, we have a lot of room. So let's just see how's that 15 minutes just closed. Very nice, I think. Yeah, nice. 15 minute can come up and create a top wick first, and we can short. Just grabbing that previous 5 minute low now, which isn't what we want it to do.
For EJ to come down and break through those lows as well with that triple bottom lows as well, like that's a massive level of support.
Huge.
So I wouldn't be surprised if it comes down and grabs it and retests up again.
Yeah, I agree.
Which is what I originally had marked up.
If you look at it from an hourly perspective, yeah, you could easily come all the way back down here, create this big left shoulder, big head, right shoulder.
Oof.
This is the neckline, and then boom, it could be all the way back up here. So we could play it from both sides today. Yeah, I see the same, Howard. I see the same. Right, GJ, where do I want it to retest? Retest, grab this previous 5 minute, and I'll look for shorts. YouTube fam, I'll look at your other guys' pairs in a second. I'm getting ready to potentially snipe a position, and I don't want to miss it. But as soon as the markets go a bit quiet, I'll look at your guys' position. Nathan, if you want to check it out, you can check it out here. Feel free. Why don't you use indicators? Because I can prefer to read just pure price action. The charts tell me exactly what to do. I don't need any indicator to tell me what to do. Oh, is that your dog, Tim? Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. But there's enough wrong for using indicators. I used indicators early on in the beginning, and I just felt like, for me personally, I would rely on them too much. And I know that's not how you use them, but that's personally how I would see them. So I personally prefer just to read pure price action, pure levels, liquidity grabs, and that is it. Psychological key levels, like on gold, the daily levels, hooked up with intraday liquidity grabs, and yeah, it's as simple as that. The most important part is your execution. Like this trade that we took, which I shared on Tuesday, was just very, very simple. Levels, liquidity grabs, break above, retest, boom, done. Exactly the same as like this huge short that we were looking to take as well. Just liquidity grabs, retail traps, and understanding price action. That's all we need. Alright, let's see. We would like this 15 minutes close bearish. We want to come up and grab this previous 5 minute wick, maybe retest some levels, create that false resistance, and then we could be looking for a nice drive down here. Only one I use.
What direction it goes in, to be honest.
No, I never care. Message about the Insta link. Nice one, guys. I will message you guys straight after this. Straight after this, I'll reply to you guys. But yeah, this low here is a low of interest that I think GJ needs to grab before we can have a run up. We got to grab this low, and we got to retest some levels down here. Oh, Ash, yeah, VWAP. Yeah, VWAP's good. VWAP's probably the only one I would use if I was trading indices. Let's see. Gold on the 30 minute. 30 minute to me on gold still looks bearish. How's the hourly looking? Probably a bit doji. Yeah, a bit doji. How's the hourly looking on GJ? Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Got two levels there. Let's get rid of one. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Even if we come back down, retrace just 38 to 50% of this move, that we are talking 130 pips. I'm okay with 130 pips on a Monday. Ooh, nice push up here. Nice 5 minute close on GJ. If GJ can come and grab this previous 5 minute, I'm very interested in shorting. Come and liquidate this previous 5 minute, and we can look for shorts. Gold, 5 minute. 5 minutes still looking nice on gold. I'm waiting for a little bit more though. You could consider something like that. But let's see GJ. GJ's looking more probable for me. YouTube fam, 100 people in the chat. Remember, drop a little like for the stream. As soon as you drop a like, the algorithm, I don't know, starts booming. We start taking loads of trades. That's just how it works. I don't make the rules in trading, but as soon as you drop a like, we start taking some trades. Push up a little bit more. Do you do futures more or Forex? Probably more FX. Definitely more FX at the minute. It's been very, very nice recently. Do you only look for liquidity grabs based? Do you only look for entries based on liquidity grabs on lower time frames, or can they be used for high times? Yeah, high time frames too. Absolutely, that's part of the swing trading plan. Like here on NZD/USD, this is the trade we were looking at. Hourly time frame had this double top. We were showing the setup around here. Even if you look at it on the 4 hourly, it's probably nicer. Double top, so we're waiting for NZD/USD to grab this high, and people were trading this on the way up for, you know, breaking above our level, holding above our level for 100 pips. But yeah, they happen on every single time frame. 5 minute, the weekly, monthly, every single time frame you'll see price has to grab a previous high or low before it can have the real move. GJ's got to spike up a little bit more for me. Come up a little bit more. Because this we're trading right now in a very, very big mess. A big mess. 5 minute flip. Yeah, this is the liquidity grab right here. And I would typically be shorting after this candle here, but the reason I wasn't shorting here is because we left a big wick, and the next 5 minute left a big wick and actually closed bullish. So the only reason I wasn't shorting this like I normally would with my day trading strat is for that reason. Whereas the trade that we were looking at here on Wednesday, just after we jumped off the stream, was a perfect example. Because we had that liquidity grab, we then respected it, and then we bam closed massively below this resistance here, and then absolutely dumped massively. So yeah, the only reason I wasn't shorting here is because prior to this drop there was absolutely no reason to short. If I had shorted after these candles, then I'm trying to predict too much, and I'm trading because I want to see shorts as opposed to what I'm actually seeing. When price is respecting a support, if anything around this region, you should be looking for longs until we break that level. I'm not in this golden trade, by the way. I'm waiting. Yeah. Got this big support on GJ down here, where we need to come and grab. We need to grab this. Could maybe grab this. This is what we're doing now, which is nice. Oh, if we grab this high, I'm gonna have sales below this current 5 minute. Stops will be above wherever this liquidity grab is. Looking for this play back down. What's up, man? What's up? Get that moolah. Hell yeah, man. You too. Been pretty busy lately and less active on socials. All good, man. All good. Good to have you on the stream. We're coming into in 1 minute, the last 5 minutes of the hourly close, which is going to be very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. Oh, look at that gold flipping bearish now. Look at that coming into the last 5 minutes. How's that hourly looking on gold? GJ looks nicer to me. 15 minute looks nice on gold. I'm not in this gold short though. Holy shit, it's hot, man. It is hot. I'm not shorting GJ here. Has to come up and liquidate this. Either spike, boom, boom. Anytime you have a significant push up, what do? We grab the previous low, push up. So we want that. I want to grab the previous push. Nice early wick up on here. And I'm going to have sells here, and stop loss will maybe be around 15 pips. But I don't have the order in yet. Where is hot? Here in Brisbane, Australia. I'm absolutely sweating my tits off in this room.
Don't encourage him.
No, it's not. I'll say it again. I go downstairs in my house and I come upstairs and it's like a fucking sauna upstairs. I need to sit down and start streaming downstairs.
Why I can't do.
No, in this room, in this room, I've only got a fan. Got no fans.
Oh, GJ.
Ooh, GJ.
Spike
Ooh, okay. Let's see if we start to get some rejections here. Let's see if we can get some rejections. If we get some rejections, then maybe we could look at like this and like this. An aggressive entry. Oh, gold's pushing as well. Look at that. 1 minute GJ's looking nicer, gold's not. The next minute gold's looking nicer, GJ's not. Because look at GJ on this hourly now. Hourly isn't all of a sudden looking so bearish. Whereas on gold, to be fair, not much either. But we're creating a bottom wick on here on gold, so we may just push up. I don't have any orders in on GJ just yet. Not yet. But we're grabbing that previous 5 minute like we had to do. But now it's a question of if we close above it or we come down and create a nice wick. If we come down and create a nice wick, then we could actually consider sells here with stops above wherever this high is going to be. Looking for this to have a really nice play back down into these levels. Really nice risk to reward there as well.
If EJ pushes past those previous highs, I'm going to go in for buys.
Yeah.
142. Yeah, we are number 10, 42.
Yeah.
Nice, man. Nice.
I'd kind of rather it to go higher, to be honest.
Yeah. I'm not interested in shorting this. I ain't short GJ.
Bigger push back down.
Gold in the range, GJ in the range. Yeah, I'm not interested in shorting GJ now. Look at this, and this is the reason we don't chase trades. Anyone who would have been chasing this, you think you've missed the move, you try jumping shorts here, you're about to get stopped. That's the reason you don't chase trades, especially not in a range. You try jumping shorts here, you don't understand because you're so emotional that this is just a level of support where we could just respect and push higher. And now look at that 15 minute. 15 minute went from looking, really bearish to all of a sudden we left a wick. We've just grabbed the previous 15 and now closing bullish. And where would I want to long into if I was going to long? I would only long once we get more breaks, and then we could long into 163 and all the way up here into like 1632. Come and retest some levels back down here. If you take on a big swing fib like this, we're hovering around 61. Maybe we can spike up 71, 78. But I will only long GJ if the 15 minute aggressively flips bearish. Otherwise, we're just trading within the range, and we have to understand the markets for what they are. Regardless, if we want to see something, we have to take it for exactly what it is. Gold, I'm happy to wait. Elite traders in the house. What's going on, Joe? Good to have you here, man. Good to have you jumping on the stream. It's worse than summer. You always enter with limits. Yeah, for the most part, enter with buy or sell stops when I'm intraday trading. Euro pound had a clean sweep. Very nice. What do you think about EU? I'll take a look in a second. Thank you, James. Appreciate it. I'm in Brisbane, man. I'm in Brisbane. Go all in. No stop loss. YOLO. Happy to support. Thank you, man. Like your streams. Thank you, man. Thank you. I've had actually had some really, really good trades on the stream. Really good trades, considering we only do them twice a week. But today, patience is going to pay. And that's what it is. Here he is. We just took a 100 pip drop on gold.
No, because I had the stream going the whole time.
He knew it was coming. He was prepared.
Stopped and loaded.
Yeah, he was. His finger was on that trigger.
Made it 1 minute to the open. Nice.
Ask me bollocks.
Coming into that London Open now. GJ is not very nice. Gold is not very nice, to be honest. But we'll see. See if we get some London volume here.
Oh, Mark. Did you have any crocs in the pond?
No, I was safe. Everyone seemed to think I did, but I was safe, mate.
Like, Jesus Christ, like anyone, like Aaron sending me these like grasshoppers who are bigger than me, and you're like, and you're gonna camp there, and like, Jesus Christ, and you're on about sharks biting you in the sea if you don't bite them, and it's like, what the hell, like,
Hey,
why do you want to live in Australia?
Hey, that wasn't me. That was Gandhi that said if you don't bite the sharks, they won't bite you. They're not mine.
The only thing that can kill you here, well, the only thing you can do is drown here with all the rain.
You might get shanked in Swansea though.
That's true.
I do that to them.
But yeah, YouTube fam, we're just going to sit on our hands. We're going to wait for a little bit more. Remember, no trading is also part of trading. We're not going to sit here and force anything. Like you guys have seen on the other streams, or if anyone who's new, all of a sudden it can look like nothing's happening. You get that 5 or 15 minute closure and then boom, it's time to go again. But the most important part is sitting here and keeping your mind right and waiting for the real true breakouts, as opposed to if you took shorts here, you took a break even, you try to go long, you break even, you're more importantly fucking up your mindset opposed to ruining your P&L. I'm keeping my mind fresh, so when we break out of this range, I'm ready to execute. Always keep him.
Tim shuts his laptop.
Good morning from the Philippines. Good morning, man. Good morning. Gold on the 30-minute to me still looks bearish, but it also still looks like a range. You know, we are rejecting resistance, but see it from a neutral perspective. We're also respecting support. I want to go short, and I'm seeing that it's respecting resistance, but I'm not being emotional to my supports, and I'm also seeing that we're just in this range. Most important thing in trading is seeing the markets from a neutral perspective and understanding both sides, and not being married to your position and married to some sort of bias. We don't care if the market's going to go up or down, left, right, we're just going to fucking trade it. And it's as simple as that. Maybe gold will come and grab the previous 30-minute. But the whole reason for wanting to...
I've seen the weekly on EJ and GJ.
Let's have a look at the weekly. Gold weekly is beautiful. Yeah, weekly is ridiculous on GJ. Ridiculous. Look at that. Broke above.
Like
Respected 162.
Boom, it's going higher.
Oh yeah, if this can flip bullish today, then next target on GJ is here 165, and then you could see GJ come back up to 168. This push down, retesting 1685 was a ridiculous stop hunt candle. Yeah, literally to the absolute fucking pip. You retest that psychological level, 158.5. Anyone who's swinging longs and they got stops at break even are just being grabbed. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Halfway through the
full margin, sir?
Yeah, full margin to the moon.
Okay.
Monthly as well is looking really nice. Previous month closed above all of these levels, respecting 160, closed above 163. So the time this monthly closes, we could see GJ, breaking this previous monthly candle and trading around 165. So full margin GJ to the moon. Yeah.
The only thing I don't like about EJ now, it's on the 5-minute, it's already taken those wicks out on the left.
Oh no, this is nice.
So it could just take those out and reject again.
I personally think if we were gonna have a liquidity grab and a push down, we would have done it from here. This would have been, if this was a true liquidity grab, we would have liquidated these highs and we would have ran down already. But the fact that we're breaking these highs again makes me think we could get closure here and go long and come fulfill some levels up here and maybe come retest 16275.
It's nice, a cleaner candle going up there and bigger. There's a longer road.
Massive. That's
huge.
Yeah, even to come retest these lows, we're talking 85 pips. Come retest these broken levels, 150 pip move.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go like the stream so that the market moves.
Thank you, man. You know how it works. I don't make the rules.
No, you don't make the rules. Yeah.
You had it here, YouTube fam. As soon as you drop a like for the stream, the markets start moving. It's just how the trading algorithm works. Don't ask me why or how, but when you drop a like for YouTube, the market makers pump it.
They know.
So yeah, I'm just.
Excuse you, pal.
We just got a 5-minute closure here on EJ. How's gold looking?
Gold's looking nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm eyeing up gold.
It looks enough.
We get a nice close there. We could wait on the top wick for the drive down.
So
Maybe.
we actually could have had sales there. We could have had entry there.
I had an order marked up on the 15 below the break of that first bearish candle, the lows, 1929.
Or am I putting a sell here on gold?
Yeah.
Wait, let me see. Close maybe a sell stop below the bodies. Okay, I'm gonna have a sell here on gold. Stops are gonna be above the previous 5-minute. Oh, let me put him. Okay, cool. I'm short on gold. I'm short on gold. The stops are above here. If this 5-minute doesn't drive and break this support, I will close my position. But if we get a 5-minute closure here below this level, I'll probably reduce stops here and consider break even. But yeah, I'm short on gold. It was a very quick move. I'm lucky to just get into that. Holy shit.
You used your faulty magic keys.
Yeah, if someone can help me set up these fucking magic keys, I wouldn't have had to have a little bit of stress there. But yeah, the 5-minute has to break this support. You know, the thing is, even if we're going to get a push up, we need to come and liquidate this support to then potentially do that. So as soon as we break the support, we'll manage risk. So still hovering around break even. So if anyone wasn't quick to get off the entry, you should be around break even. So you should be able to catch the same entry.
Come on, Goldie.
Yeah, come on, Goldie, give us that bank. But yeah, Goldie could retrace and give us a potential 60 pip pullback. You know, we got a little double bottom here that we could come and grab, but we just want to make sure we have volume. You're again making a double top at support. Very nice, very, very nice. You could probably buy into that. What do I think about GU? I will take a second, man. I'm just going to manage this gold position and then see. We only got a 15 pip stop loss on gold, so it's very, very nice. Very, very nice. But I'm not going to do anything now until we get 5-minute closure. 15-minute is nice. 15-minute, you know, respecting this previous high. Bodies close below this previous high. We could get a nice drive down here. Even if with the we don't get a 5-minute closure, I may have to wait for the 15. But let's see. These are the times when it starts hovering and people go, oh, you know what, it's not going to do it, and you close your position, and then the last 10 seconds of gold closing could close all the way back down. That's how gold likes to screw people. But yeah, I'm happy to hold this. The reason that my stop loss is above this high and not all the way up here is because this 5-minute grabbed that previous high. We liquidated that high and had a drive. So if we break this 5-minute, then we could drive even higher. So to me, it makes sense to have a stop loss of around 16 pips.
What are you laughing at?
I know.
Alan's running his own comedy show.
No, I just. I don't know any better, so I don't know. It's just, every time I just think of that person and I'm like, why?
Who?
When you're on about your stop loss.
Oh.
I think about that other person.
Yeah.
I'm like,
some other people, I'm not going to mention any names, would have stops up here and they would have targets like here. Hey, what do I know?
That's what I was laughing at, man.
I just.
Gold's respecting support here. We got 18 seconds till this candle's going to close. The candle closes like this, I'll manage my position, but I'm not going to do anything until it closes in 10 seconds.
I was thinking of that video where they're all in the room in front of the computer, like cheering. I'm like, that's psychology 101.
Have you seen that guy on Instagram that's in like the replay mode and he's like fucking banging his desk when like the trade hits fucking take profit? It's like, oh my god, man, it's fucking painful. Yeah, I'm holding gold. I'm happy to hold gold.
That's his best win on the demo.
Nothing more satisfying than catching a winning trade on a replay mode. It's the best feeling in the world.
goes out to the living room, grabs his mother. Look at this, Mum.
We made it. We made it.
We made it, baby. Crack out the red panties.
The reason I'm holding is because gold has just grabbed that previous 5 minute without creating a bottom wick, so it's nice.
The 15 minutes still nice though, like that candle before the current one that's forming.
Yeah.
Really nice.
Really, really nice. And we haven't liquidated these lows. If this 5 minute low had grabbed this low, then I would cut it straight away. But if we're gonna have a push up, we need to come and grab this. So, can we enter now? Yeah, you can enter now. You probably get a better entry than me. If you sniped an entry up here, you got a better entry than me.
Here we go. Come on, gold.
As soon as we liquidate this low, I'm gonna be managing my position. But I'll say as I update it. Oh, there we go. Cool, getting a nice push now. Okay, let's see if we do break this level. I'm probably gonna have maybe stops above here, or I may even just go break even. But let's just wait for this 5 minutes close. Up a very quick $300 there, which is nice. But look, what we just hit. Hit instant 10 pips. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Nice, get a nice push now. Nice push, Rooney on gold.
Come on.
Okay, instant file. Up a quick $500. Come on, guys. Yes, go on gold.
Boom.
That's what you got to do. You got to smash your table. If you smash your table, gold will go to the floor. We're coming very close to this low now. Let's just see.
50-minute close like this. Retest that level.
What we just hit? Yeah, just hit instant 13 pips, instant 0.8 restored. Not bad. Not bad. Hope everyone's getting some table smashes in there. If you're not smashing your table, I don't know what you're doing.
Some record Ralphs.
Yeah, how's this 15-minute look? And we're coming into the first 15-minute of the hourly as well. Oh yeah, I think we're going to easily liquidate this low.
I don't want to take it now, please. Don't do that. Not yet. Not yet. No.
Did we grab this previous 5 minute or did we create a double top? Yeah, we grabbed it. Cool. Okay, it's fine.
Man, even that flip there's nice. Like on the lows of that sort of pin bar candle.
Yeah. I agree.
Like that would be a nice position in itself. Stops above where that wick is if you wanted to manage.
Been stopped out and now I have no table. Cheers, bro. Fuck, it's hot, man.
Don't be that guy.
Yeah, we'll get away. We've got 1 more minute. YouTube fam, drop a little like for the stream. Fantastic entry there, 0 drawdown. We got that nice entry that we can manage our position. But if this 5 minute closes like this, we could come up and create, you know, a top wick, and we don't want to get stopped to break even before. So let's just see how this 5 minute closes.
If you like the video, it's going to take the lows, everyone.
Yeah, guys, if you like, you heard it here first. If you like the video, if we hit, you know, 70 likes, gold will be down here. See, look at that. People start liking and gold starts dropping. Hey. Why is there a fucking fly on my camera?
Lights, guys. Hold on now.
Yeah. You saw it here first, guys. Keep liking.
Dislike.
Oh, thanks, guys.
Choo.
Okay, there's an instant 20 pips there. I'm actually, you know, just because of the way that we've been ranging, I'm actually just going to secure 50% and go break even. Only because we are in this overall range, you know, we just have to understand that. Okay, so I've just taken 50% off because we've liquidated this low at 20 pips and now I'm break even. Because this is the low that we had to grab before that potential push up. This low here and this low here. We could grab these and then, you know, come back up here. So I don't want to see my position running like, you know, 20 pips profit, 0 drawdown and not do anything. If we get a retrace, amazing, I'll just enter again. I don't really give a shit. But if I take something off the table and I can go break even, fantastic. So yeah, lovely trade. Very, very nice. Now we're going to create that top wick. We just got that 15-minute closure as well. So that last 5 minute of the 15 is always the one that matters, and that was the one that closed very, very bearish. So yeah, I'll be holding a runner back down to here. I got a 50% runner, which is larger than normal, but I think we get a bigger push. Oh shit. Yeah, so it's an instant 20 pipperoonies. Still pushing nicely.
Beautiful trade.
How's GJ looking? Let me just not ignore other pairs. Nah, nothing. Cool. Gold's good. Gold's good. Are we shorting now? I'm already in shorts. I'm in shorts from here. Sell stops in below these bodies here. Stops above this 5-minute high. But
yeah, lovely trade, bro. Lovely trade.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you. Someone enjoyed it as well. Who else enjoyed that? Who else is? Alan's got loads of people around his house trading off my stream. Alan's got all his mates on. Come join here. Don't pay for his community. Come round to mine. £10 on the door.
Yeah.
That's why he has a background in, so you can't. He's in a
Literally 10 people behind him. Split the £75.
And just £5 each.
Split the 75 6 ways.
They just grabbed that previous 5 minute, just rejecting.
Fucking.
I must
His head is massive.
I must say, Alan, I like this angle of you, mate. It's a different angle to normal.
I'm right in the screen because I've only got my laptop. It's like it's hard to see.
You're this close to me now.
Took EU short profits. Good job, Blake. Very, very nice, man. Very nice.
Yeah, Ron. I'm in work, so the heating is flat out.
Heating must be on.
It's just the penguins that are around.
You would have died if you were in Queensland today, Alan.
Fucking hell.
I love the heat, guys.
No.
Not Australian heat, you won't. I guarantee it.
I like the heat as well. I thought, you know what? Where's a good place in Australia that has a lot of sun? Right, let me go to Queensland. Yeah, I don't know. I might have to go back to. I have to go to Melbourne. People said don't go to Melbourne because of the UK weather, but hey, I might have to go.
What was the temp?
Like fucking
32 or something.
It's like 35.
55.
Yeah, Australia 35 to me is like fucking 50 degrees. It's that fucking humid. Excuse my French.
33 in Phuket. There you go, Alan. You're set.
33 in Phuket, Ron. Yeah.
Like 105% humidity too.
Yeah, literally. Yeah, this reminds me of Thailand heat.
Like, have they got, you know, when they're like cafes and stuff, have they got like little sprinklers to like water on you?
Yeah.
Are they actually?
Yeah, they do. I'm not
genuine.
It's
just like, Mark, you're laughing. That was a good idea. Okay.
No, it's amazing. Yeah, it's amazing.
I feel like
I'm not used to.
You've got your little water bottle with the fan on the top, and you can spray yourself while you're drinking water.
No, that'll be my can of beer.
Take a look at GU. Yeah, I'll have a look. Have a look at GU. Why not? GU hourly time frame just liquidated some highs, but overall looks pretty bullish to me. Respecting this support, yeah, I think GU could probably have a run up high. Remember, you got US dollar news later on today. 4 hourly was bullish. You know, we're respecting this support, but this looks like to me a typical break and retest for most retailers to try short here. I think GU might have a little run up higher, but we have grabbed these highs, which is pretty nice. But I don't intraday trade too much, so I can't give too much. But look, yeah, it looks pretty good.
Man, like this runner could be nice on gold. The daily candle's wicking out. Like it's failed to break that level for the last couple of days.
Yeah, very, very nice. The thing is, like, we closed bullish, we grabbed the previous daily low, and then we bripped higher again, respecting this little resistance. We're coming into some nice support levels here, and you know, regardless of if we're going to break this support and rip higher, we're bound to find some sort of reaction around here, even if it's just a little pullback to these levels. Amazing, we'll scalp that pull back, and then you can look for longs. But overall, I think gold is easily going to come back up to 1950 and probably liquidate this high. But I mean, if you take it from this, we are still, you know, pushing lower. We're trading around that 78%. We're holding this level. Daily time frame doesn't even have a bottom wick yet. So could this be the high of gold today to flip bearish?
I think EJ is about to take off. It's just closed above that last high. I think it's going to head into that next level of resistance.
Oh no, that previous 5 minute was so whack.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I'm watching it. Like, it's just. Grrr.
I'll probably, you know, what we get done here, we get like, if we come back down here, we get 30 pips. I think we may, our runner may just get hit a break even here. But we'll see.
Below where your level is there, that lower one, that's where I'm going to look for shorts.
This one?
Yeah.
To come fill in.
It is a pretty clean range.
Yeah, it's very nice. That's a terrible fucking
It
time.
looks nicer on the 15.
It does, yeah, it really does.
Yeah, that's nice.
So look at that. Look at that.
Yeah.
Especially because all your fanboys were liking the stream, so it made it drop. So it didn't give me an entry. Thank you for that. But I am happy that you know, you had loads of likes.
Yeah, YouTube fam, you guys, YouTube started. You guys stopped liking the stream, and now gold has found some support. Call it a coincidence. Call me crazy, but as soon as everyone started liking the stream, gold started dropping. As soon as you guys stopped liking the stream, we're now having pullbacks. So,
Tell your mum,
Yeah.
grandma.
post it in your family group chats.
Like the stream.
Hey.
If they could kindly just like the stream again, you know.
Oh.
Even if it's like an unlike, do that again if you
Do you remember those Facebook videos where it used to say this person needs life-saving surgery if he gets 100 likes or something?
Oh yeah. Oh, do you remember you'd get like them pictures on Facebook, like if you don't share this, like your mum's gonna die or something. I'm like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
It's like button.
Yeah, but you'd have to share it though, just in case. I don't know how the universe
you want
works.
can.
Yeah, I don't know how the world works.
Life changing cheddar, like the bloody stream.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Everyone stopped banging their desks. Everyone stopped standing up, banging their desk, going, "Fuck yeah, go gold."
It's like they think it's like I quit my job and sold my car to trade crypto. Now I've got no job and no car.
And no desk.
Yeah, and no desk. Yeah, fucking hell.
Straight to office works.
If you look on the 30 minute on EJ, that could be closing below that upper level, eh?
Yeah, it's just a bit.
Yeah.
It's just a bit messy. It's a bit messy for me. How's GJ looking? Is GJ looking nicer for potential other trades? Not yet. No.
Look, at this stage, it's following my markup, so
Good man.
what could go wrong?
Hey, Ron's
Good go.
just got bread in both chats. Come on, Ron. Appreciate it, man.
Go on, Ron.
Go on, then.
Yeah.
Got two chats.
Where's everyone else's? Ron's here in the Zoom, and then Ron's here on YouTube, dropping breads in for the chat as well. We've been making a lot of bread this week.
Go on, man.
We've had a lot of
Aaron's
breads.
paying him commission on how many breads he's putting in.
Yeah, £1 for every bread that someone puts in the chat. Ron is probably going to get stopped here at break even, but this was good management.
Hold on. I challenge you to be paid, you know.
What do you reckon about GJ sells on the flip on the 5 minute as a little
Yeah, but-
scalp with 14 pip height stop?
Yeah, I was thinking that as well.
Because you could have a 14 pip stop on the flip of those lows if it has truly liquidated those highs and it's not going to drive higher. But
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Holy shit, it's hot.
But there is clean range that last push up. It sort of it just drives straight up. But
Not white cheap bread, that expensive ciabatta stuff. Yeah, get some ciabattas in the chat. We're making them ciabattas today.
fancy.
But yeah, this was the reason that we had to take off some partials at this low, because like I said earlier, if anyone who's just joined the stream, this is the level that we could liquidate this low and push higher. So if we don't manage our positions here, then we're just being too emotional and we're predicting too much. So runners were taken off at around 17 pips. 50% was taken off here at 17 pips, and the rest is probably going to get stopped at break even. But for me, this was fantastic execution and fantastic management. So I'm very, very happy with this trade.
Stopped out. I got in a little later, but I managed to.
That's alright, man. That's good. Do you take partials as well?
Yeah, I don't fucking wait or fuck around.
Good man, good man, good man, good man.
There's money on the table, pick it up.
Hell yeah, 100%.
Yeah, I took 80% at a 1.5.
1.5, nice.
And I just got tapped out.
Good man, very good, very good. Very, very good. Good shit. It's not the sorry, as you want.
It's great when everyone makes back.
It is. That's the thing. It's not like.
There we go.
Yeah, there you go. I'm at break even as well. It's not the biggest risk to reward that we'd normally take, but we're just understanding what the markets are doing right now, what the market's doing ranging. If we didn't take off partials here, we just hold this down to here. We're not trading what we see. We're trading what we expect. We don't expect anything from the markets. I don't give a fuck if it's going to go up or down. We're bouncing off support after liquidating the low, grabbed the previous 5-minute low, so we had to manage our position there. So for me to take a quick, 10 pips at full risk is more than enough. More than enough, and now we'll see what other opportunities we get today. But
yeah, well,
the whole
when you're trading 50 lots, there is enough Aaron.
50, please, please.
Just a small 100 pip runner.
Yeah.
look at the smirk in his face.
I was gonna say, please do not insult me at 50 lots. I did not trade 50 lots. I trade 5,000 lots.
Oh, sorry.
But no, that was.
I would love to put that in demo to see how much.
Aaron's that dude on the Magic Keys FAQ. What is the maximum lot size that he's execute on?
What is the maximum? Is there a maximum?
Is it 1,000?
Cunt.
I
I think it's.
Question after it.
Yeah,
Depends how good your demo account is.
yeah. If you got a good sized demo account, you should be alright. I'm pretty sure it's 100. Oh no, if I can put well more than 100. I put as many as you want. Fucking flies in this place. Gonna head off. Nice one, Blake. I'll drop you a message as soon as the stream's over, man. But good to have you on the stream. Appreciate you tuning in. But yeah, YouTube fam, if you caught this position, the most important part with this trade was understanding and reading the markets and taking price for exactly what it is. Although it wasn't the biggest risk reward that we may normally take, we played it very, very well. You look how we took profit to absolute perfection. If I didn't take profit there, I would have been stopped at break even. So, like I say, it's not the biggest risk reward, but hey, it's 17 pips at secured 50%, and it's all about the way that you read the markets. So even if you just pulled out some money from that move, amazing, you've just made money just from tuning into this YouTube live stream. Very, very nice. That's another win for the stream. Alright, let's get off gold now. Gold's trading back in the range. See if we get some sales here on GJ. We're going to get that 30-minute close in 2 minutes, so I'm probably just going to wait for that. But hey, if you catch 10 pips a day with good risk management, good lot size, you secure a bag a day. A bag a day. A bag a day. Took me a second. Fucking fly. Fuck off.
Don't say it.
Treat yourself to. If you get 10 pips, treat yourself to a bag a day.
Oh, you got it there. Alright, okay. I was going to say, if GJ or EJ can close the body below the previous 5, then I look for shorts.
Fuck, I swear, man.
Like on your screen there now.
Yeah, me too. Thomas.
It doesn't fit in with my assessment, but I think you're right.
I'm in halfy on GJ when it added on the flip of that
Good man.
5-minute.
Nice. If you break that level, you're good.
Exactly where that order is.
Yeah, good man.
So just got the 14 pip stop. Yeah, above that wick, so
Nice.
halfy is worth it. Looks nice.
No, I agree. If you close below this level, you're good to hold. Thomas, I'll have a look at USD yen, man. Now that we're out of gold, let's have a look, man. Let me know what you're looking at as well. If you guys want me to,
Man.
if you want me to look over your pairs.
If those are the highs on GJ, if it's not going to push into those extreme highs, it could have a pretty big drive down if it's going to tag the 159 for lows.
So daily time frame USD yen is
short of this.
Yeah.
is throwing wicks to the support. Yesterday's candle wicked out all these lows, so if we're going to have a push up, to me this looks like enough liquidity where we should do so. So to me, USD yen could have a nice push up today. We are expecting that news. We do have US dollar news later. On an intraday perspective, let's just put on some very, very simple levels. We're just trading around here, you know, we're just broken back below this level. We could come back down and create a sort of left shoulder head, right shoulder here as well. We've just grabbed this previous high before having that drop back down, so it looks pretty nice. But for me right now, USD yen's trading within this range, which is a 70 pip range. But then we're also respecting the support, so it's like, it's a little bit messy. Daily time frame is looking nice, but for me, lower time frame on USD yen is a little bit messy. But if you break back above this level and retest, you could see some nice pushes, and you may get that daily flip to close bullish. You guys all making bank on GJ?
Yeah.
Ooh, very nice. Very,
I'm not in yet.
nice.
No, I'm
Very
in the
nice.
break of this current 5.
Like this?
Hang on, I'm just
Oh, we just had that
looking
30 minute
at,
close.
yeah, something like that. Yeah.
Yeah, 5 minute close, pretty nice. Yeah, I might put us in half risk.
I got in because I was comfortable with the 14 pips above that wick as a half risk.
No, yeah, it's nice.
I got in on the flip because they
Yeah,
usually
5 minute.
pay out nice if it
Shit.
does
Ah,
take.
no.
Go on then.
Ah, you mother.
Who's
Why
like?
isn't it tucked in?
I was just about to put that in.
It hasn't tucked in. It's cancelled it.
I was just
Are you
about to put
serious?
that in. Enter now GJ, yeah, Maverick, you can short GJ right now. Should I get a
The dog
night?
carries on and I miss JJ.
I'm not in. I'm in at 161823. 161823. Very nice. Very, very
EJ,
nice.
just hold up for the boys. Just hold for the boys for a second. Just chill.
Did you get this?
Yeah, I'm in, fellas.
Good
Yeah.
boys, good boys. Did you get that
I
flip,
got
Mark?
in 886 on the flip of that low.
Yeah, very, very nice. The boys are seeing beautiful entries. You could see it play back down into these lows now. If you get that volume, you can get that nice push. GJ could have a nice solid push here. But we broken that previous support. Having that retest, it looks pretty nice for me to drive low.
I'd definitely probably take like 80% off the table around those lows, if not sooner, and have a runner looking to go into the 30-minute lows.
Yeah,
I think it would be a really nice play.
I agree.
161.57-ish.
Yeah, like on a higher time frame, because if that's taken those highs, it shouldn't need to come back there if it's going to keep driving down.
I agree with you, man. Looking for a new table. Gold, gold profit gonna cover a new IKEA table.
I'm legit. It hasn't tucked me in.
What really was your order, Jordan? Right?
Yeah.
Screenshot
You
it.
sell it or buy it.
Do you want me to tell you how to use MT4, Bella?
No, I'm just going to tell the funding company what for right now.
Yeah, say you want an instant. That means you got to instantly pass me of the challenge.
I want better pips.
TP on GJ will be down into these lows. We've just grabbed the highs of the range again. We've not grabbed the lows of the range yet, so TP would be down here. I personally would just hold it. If you snipes the entry like this, like Mark, I would just hold it break even. I'd be holding full down into these lows. If you keep buying IKEA, you will lose the... If you keep buying IKEA, you will lose the table if there's going to trade. No, it's lovely entry, boys. Very, very nice. Good. It's good that you guys saw the same trade without me even flicking on it. Very, very nice. Let me get Blake in the chat. So you had the order in as well, Alad?
Yeah. It's there. It's on my screen.
That's very strange. And you had the sell stop, not sell limit.
Yes, that's that. 161782. That's what I put in.
161782. Yeah, weird. How's Goldie looking now? Gold just pushing back up into the highs of the range. GJ 30 minutes looking really nice. Hourly is looking juicy. Oh yeah, I think this could be the flip where GJ could have a really nice drive here. You may even hold GJ down into here. This could be the nice liquidity grab of the highs, where you could get, if we adjust a fib like this, a nice 50% retracement, and you could get a damn 10%er. Aaron, just want to say thanks for helping and teaching. I appreciate you a lot. Hey, thank you, man. I appreciate you tuning in and dropping a little comment. Appreciate it. That's the thing. Providing more value on these streams than most Furus charge for.
And that was a lovely entry on GJ.
Yeah,
was textbook.
Banging. That was textbook.
Such a good stop placement, which gave me a little bit more confidence to take it. Like,
yeah.
You know when your stops are between two candles, they're like bullish, bearish.
Yeah. No, that was beautiful. There was actually two entries there. You could have had the one you had, Mark, and you could have had the one that Alad was going to have up again. You could be running two positions. It was very nice.
Fucking hell.
I got in on Alad's entry.
Good man, nice, Craig.
I'm glad you guys got it.
Yeah, that's bullshit though, Alad. You should.
I didn't get it.
I'll send you some demo funds to your Bitcoin wallet if you put the address in YouTube live chat. I'll need your driver's license. I don't know if you have Medicare or something like that over there, but...
I forgot to tell you fellas, I'm actually a prince from Nigeria. and I need some
You've been
help.
walking feet me for years. My uncle.
Someone was asking where is it? Day in the life. Here. I don't know. How do I share this?
Create an amazing website.
Hey, shut up. Shut up.
Come on, GJ,
How
want
do
to
I
take
get this?
partials?
Almost done for the day within like the first fucking 2 hours of the session. It's bloody beautiful.
I want to take bloody 2.5 mil off at 80%, really, if I'm honest.
Oh, GJ.
Yeah, I personally wouldn't secure partials like we did on gold. I would just manage risk and maybe have risk off the table. Just again, you know, we are in the range of markets, but we're finding some support here. But you know, we still got 2 minutes till this candle closes, so we still could flip bearish. But I would maybe just manage risk.
Might even bring my stop down above that breakout candle at 9.5.
This one. Yeah, I would definitely have your stops there. You should be more than clear there. I think if we rip that higher, then we go higher.
9.5.
But yeah, we're just grabbing that previous 5 minute closing bullish. But
Alright, let's see.
And this is the thing, like I said.
Straight into 2% for me there now.
Yeah, that's fucking annoying, man. That's bullshit.
Yeah.
Bullshit.
Does gold have another push down here?
Oh,
That's what I'm looking at.
don't tease me like that. Let me see. 5 minute. Let me see. 30 minute. 30 minutes. Wicking the highs, wicking the lows. It may just be one of them sessions. If we just have to keep taking 10, 20 pip scalps, then so be it. But even in these ranging markets, we're calling the markets very, very well. And you get them nice breakouts. You trade that exact setup that the guys just took on Zoom. And that exact setup is the same exact position that had that bank there. Once that button had that drop there. Once you get that volume, boom, you get the real moves. So keep trading the markets like this, and at some point you're going to get a nice breakout. As long as you're managing your positions well, you're laughing. Yeah, if I had your entry mark, I'd probably be at break even. Just because the way we're ranging, I just don't think it makes sense to hold the position open in my opinion. And we're coming close to the last 30 seconds of this candle after grabbing the lows. To me it's unlikely that this candle is now going to flip bearish. If we were going to flip bearish, we would have already liquidated this high early on in the candle, not late in the candle.
I'm going to take you up on that. It's probably not a bad move.
We grabbed the low early on in the candle, which isn't what you want to see. You want to see it grab the highs early on in the candle, for then the candle to flip bearish. Yeah, Eric, every single day, man. Every single day.
It would have been nice on the 5 minute if it had a 2 candle push up into that break even point, because then you could look shorts below the second push on the break of the lows. Would have been very nice.
Yeah. No, it was good. It was. I didn't take that one, but it was a very, very good execution from you guys. It was a textbook play. It was very, very nice.
Got out of break even. So
Good man.
Yeah.
Very, very nice execution.
Yeah, just could drive up.
Get up, Emrys.
Who? What was that?
Emrys. You're asking for tea all the time. What do you think it is? Starbucks or what? Jesus Christ. I'm going to give me that.
Oh, jeez.
Oh man.
Yeah, I got tapped out of GJ.
Good man. No, again, nice execution. It was a really, really nice. Technicals were on point. It's just the volume. Just didn't have the volume on our side, but great
The
execution.
thing with that setup, like you said, if the volume's there, it will just rip straight down. But you can manage well if you get out of break even, and usually it'll consolidate and there may be another entry.
Yeah, that's the thing. Sorry, Craig, go on, man.
I don't want to make Alec jealous, but I did get about 22 cents on that.
Oh,
No, honestly, guys, like,
that is
genuine,
bank.
I love it when you guys, I love it when you guys make profit, honestly, I really do.
Craig, that was $5 the other day. That's 22 today. You must be having a big weekend. What you
better
got?
watch out.
I know.
Yeah, you better watch out, Aaron. I'm going to start my own stream.
That's why the economy's failing, because Craig's taking all the money out.
How to make $6 a week trading Forex.
Swipe up.
McLaren on the way.
That's all you need for a go bucket, isn't it? They're about $4.95.
John Lucas said being paid for, not in Australia, mate.
No, not in Australia.
What, really?
No.
We're an island in the middle of nowhere.
You're looking at, if you go to a pub, you're going to pay $12 for a pint. Easy.
Yeah, easy. Oh, it's not half anymore. It's worse.
Yeah. You know what?
Let's go convert it for
Yeah, you know what? Let's do it. Let's do GBP AUD. Let's look at it right now. I'll tell you exactly what it is.
6.6 pounds. 6 pounds. 7 pounds for a pint.
Yeah.
That's like in London.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what the fucking Jersey price is.
What's your pints over there, Alan?
It depends where I go, but roughly they're about 3.54.
Yeah, you got Weatherspoons in the UK. It's
I
amazing.
remember them when they were like £2.10.
Oh fuck no! You're really showing
get,
showing your age now.
Like, we get $7 schooners in happy hour, and that's like you're cheering to get a $7 schooey.
Scooey.
That's 3/4 of a pint, isn't it?
It's not that cheap.
When I was 18, there was a place at the Gold Coast that would sell $2 drinks every Thursday.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Go with a 20 and you get maggoted.
That's right, yeah.
I honestly, when I was in like youth rugby, like I used to go out with £20, get absolutely shit-faced, have a kebab on the way home, and still have a couple of quid.
That's yeah, for the next morning. Still got a pint for the next morning.
Yeah.
You can do all that in Asia.
Yeah, easy.
Is
Easy.
Thailand?
Oh yeah.
Thailand's the most, like Phuket is the most expensive place in Southeast Asia that I've been to.
Yeah,
But
that's crazy.
It's still much cheaper than here.
Oh yeah, it's ridiculous. Hey Craig, have you been to Vietnam?
No.
I'd like to go to Vietnam.
Done a little bit of
Yeah.
Indonesia, a little bit of Malaysia, a little
Nice.
bit of Thailand.
Look at that, GJ straight back down after just fucking everyone. What a piece of shit. If GJ breaks 162 in the 5 minute ends above it, we look for a rise to 162.17.
I just had another go at gold and got tapped out.
Oh man, yeah, I'm waiting. GJ on the 15 still to me looks bearish. But no, if GJ closes above, then I think GJ goes up to 163. But 15 is still bearish. It's just the lack of volume. Excuse me. Oh, look at that! Stopped everyone at break even and pushing lower. That's just some low volume fuckery.
Textbook G.
Not everyone.
Yeah, not me. I actually had snipes from here up here. I just forgot to tell you guys.
Did you enter that one, Aaron?
Yeah, stops the break evens. Call your partials, guys. Tag me in your stories. Send
Hey,
me-
look at EJ. Throw EJ up. It's just had a big push down.
Throw it up. Oh, nice 5-minute close there. Oh yeah, nice 5-minute close on EJ. I'd like to short. I'd like to short this. I'm just skeptical of the low volume. I would short that. Yeah, back down to 164.
But that whole range is pretty like throwing wicks everywhere. It doesn't know what it's doing.
That's the thing. 15-minute though. 15 minutes still looks nice. 15 minutes come
What else
through
would you
the
rather do with a Friday night and scalp your 10 pips?
Exactly.
Yeah, we got to give that gold profit back.
Yeah, it's true.
$2 is $2.
That's what they say. Make your money in the morning and then give it back in the afternoon. That's the way you got to trade.
I just went on gold again and got stopped out, but managed to secure it
Good man.
and hit break even.
Previous 15-minute on EJ was very nice. People could take this sell. I'm personally just not that comfortable with the low volume. But that sell right there is valid on EJ if anyone wants to take that. I just don't want to get the sniper entry and the valid entry and then just, you know, sit in what GJ do. You get a really nice push down and then you just get like this. Like we could push down, but we could just like do this for fucking ages. And I don't want to sit in that shit. You would have just got instantly tagged there. But it's valid. It's valid. It's valid.
It was still better than last night. Last night there was no volume and they weren't really moving up or down. At least these you can get your 10.
Oh, yeah.
pips here and
I agree, man. I
like,
agree.
It's messy trading, but you can still walk away with 40, 50 pips if you persist.
Yeah, 100%. I agree. That on gold was what came down to 20 pips. If you understand that it's just a range and you just scalp, 10, 15 pips, amazing.
100%.
Amazing, man. I agree. I think gold will reach 1937. Yeah, possibly. Let's have a look. Hourly on gold. Hourly on gold. Yeah, hourly on gold is very, very messy. But we're respecting these highs. You kind of got this key level like this. You could come fill in maybe the lows of this range. That was the kind of whole ideology, to come retest these highs where we broke out.
Oh, God.
Yeah, gold. How's gold on the 5-minute?
I haven't had a trade over 3 minutes and 3 seconds today.
Oh, yeah, that's wild. USD CAD.
What are you trading on the 30-second chart?
USD CAD. I remember we do have that US dollar news as well. That's why expectations are pretty low. USD CAD bearish on the 4 hourly. USD CAD. To me, USD CAD is probably going to have a drive lower back down to fulfill the lows of these range, which is around a 50 pip range on USD CAD. Have the support. Look at that. We have that support. Rip the lows. Rip higher. Very, very nice.
EJ's driving right to those lows. You watch.
You could.
And it'll keep running. You watch. It'll keep running too.
It will. Yeah, it will. It'll have the biggest dump of the week. Yeah, you could even short USD CAD back down into these lows here. I don't trade it too much though. Trading CAD pairs probably one of my worst pairs to trade. I hate them pairs. Still holding gold sells, very nice.
Well, it's ranging, but you can see that the highs are getting lower and the lows are getting lower. It's
Hey, where the
slowly grinding on a trend.
Where the fuck are all these bugs coming from?
Australia, mate.
Yeah.
What the fuck is that? It's like a fucking baby cockroach on the laptop. Go on, fuck off. Oh, that's gross.
We don't really get them anymore, but usually during summer, you'd find Christmas beetles everywhere.
Christmas beetles? What's that?
Just like a brown beetle.
Singing carols.
Christmas Christmas beetle. Oh, fuck, they're horrible.
I got a small position on EJ.
Good man. Good man. It's nice.
But I've got 6 pip stops above that wick, so it's like.
The fuck is a fly on the fucking screen? There's a beetle on my face. I'm trying to make bank here, and you lot are distracting me.
Where's your dog?
Ah, he's fucking downstairs because it's even too hot for him.
See, he's clever. He's clever.
YouTube fam, if anyone's just joined, remember drop a little like for the stream. We just took a nice trade on gold this morning, and we're just waiting for a little bit more volume to potentially take something else. And like you guys saw, the more you like the stream, the more bank we make. If anyone took this EJ sell, very, very nice. EJ could have a really big drive, maybe down into, got any little double bottoms. Maybe you could even just just take your bank, take your money and run. Maybe somewhere down these regions.
I'm targeting that wicket 585.
Are you on GJ?
Me?
Yeah.
Nah, EJ.
EJ. There's GJ looking.
I got out of GJ break even, typical.
Ah, so unlucky, man.
It was I'm happy with the execution and management though. Like we identified it well, entered well, managed well, so it was a good trade.
Yes.
I agree, man.
Yeah,
I agree.
That's a win.
Yeah.
100%.
Blown so many trades just hanging on for no reason.
Yeah.
Because you know that if you do that, if you execute, identify, execute, and manage well over long term, you're going to be.
Yeah.
Oh,
Exactly.
100%. 100%.
You guys still in it?
Nah.
No,
Look at that.
tagged.
Gold now wicking lows.
Alright, okay, nice.
But yeah,
To be honest, yeah.
if that 5 minute, sorry, not this one. If that 5 minute didn't do that, and we just grabbed this low, and then the body's closed below this low, amazing, you could have hold. But the fact that we grabbed this previous 5 minute and then closed bullish, breaking it back above our little level, no, you have to manage it there. You just had to.
Yeah. But that's still though went into 2% for me.
That's very nice.
Yeah. Well.
Well, would have,
on
yeah.
the screen it did.
W's, hell yeah, man. Thank you, bro. Gold, look at that. Gold respecting the
No, that's
lows.
a bit too sweet for me. Yeah, cheers, Rick.
Look at that. DAX buys were on the
EJ's
cards.
going to do the same thing GJ did, come up, tag, break even, and run.
Yeah, see, look how shit that is. Look how shit that price action is. Again,
Yeah.
fantastic entry straight to break even.
If I entered, I'd be out break even already.
Yeah.
I'd be sitting at my entry nowish.
I would probably maybe look at something like that.
That's where I've got my stops when I entered.
Good man.
It's a small position anyway, so even if it hit the 6 pips stop, it doesn't really change anything. But if it runs, then it might be a good little, just extra little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the Willie on EJ, please. Aaron.
Yep. Yeah, it's looking
That could be
juicy.
a close like this. It could pop back up to that dotted line you got. 3-pin pattern.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I agree, sir.
You heard it here first.
No. That was Michael.
Hashtag Aled Snaps.
Sorry, yeah. Did anyone in YouTube get that GJ?
YouTube fam, did anyone take that GJ short and take the break even, or still somehow holding?
Oh. We're down to 15 pips there, Aaron, okay?
Hey, 15 pips is 15. Look at that, 20 pips. 20 pips is 20 pips.
Yeah. You gotta get that on the shirts.
20 pips is 20 pips.
No, not in Thailand. But no, why would we have any? No. Like, I'm not. There's enough of that going around in Thailand as it is. I don't want to promote it.
No, it's it.
Took it with a whopping 0.5% profit. Beautiful. Holding EJ and GJ. Martina, very nice. Very, very nice. For me, it's just been this gold trade this morning, which I'm very happy with. Very, very happy with. Not happy because I made 15 pips or whatever. I'm happy because of the way I execute and the way that I managed my position, and the way that we read it. That's the reason I'm happy with that trade. And for now, it's just way too much noise for me to even want to touch gold, personally. We could trickle down and grab these lows that we're expecting it to grab, but again, I don't want to be catching nice entries and then just be getting stopped at break even and a little loss here, a little break even there, tiny bit of profit there. I prefer to wait for the nice clean moves and more importantly, like I always say, I want to keep my mind fresh. I wanna stay fresh, and I want to be able to just see the markets for exactly what they are.
To be fair, you have been absolutely killing it this week.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, it's been a very, very nice week.
You have you have genuinely been killing it.
I paid him to say that, YouTube. I'll pay you after hours for saying that. Thank you, man.
YouTube, you should hear how he talks when we're not on the internet.
In the comments.
Yeah, no, I'm very polite, reserved.
What's your thoughts on MACD indicator? I do not use it. I don't see any personal value in it. I think I used the MACD when I very first started, MACD and the RSI. I personally don't see any value in them. I don't think any indicator would be able to read the markets how we've just read them, in my opinion. But nothing, like I say, there's nothing wrong with it. If it works for you, amazing. I don't have anything against indicators. For me, it's just pure clean price action. I don't think anything beats being able to read the markets for exactly what they are. The only way I've seen people use the RSI profitably is using RSI divergence. But I mean, if you buy the RSI every time it goes into overbought, oversold, that is not the way. Yeah, what you really want. There's some Bollinger Bands. Well, did I already have them? Oh, I've got the fucking RSI stud.
I've got a heap of indicators that I've got, and I reckon I've used them for about a day each.
Yeah. Oh shit! This is not the Bollinger Bands I wanted. Holy shit! Look at that. Oh, look at this. Yeah, this is the secret sauce. Now we're talking.
That's clean,
oh
bro.
Man, look at that. You got a BB Bandle there. Whatever that. You got a BB Band SE there.
Waves, guys.
Look at that.
We haven't had one of those for a while.
Anyone who's just joined the stream is going, fuck this, I'm gone. I don't know what the fuck this is. Let's go with that. I can't fucking see. These are the real Bollinger Bands. These are the ones we want. Look at that. Look at that.
It's going to touch that red line, you better get yourself.
Yeah, get it in shorts now. No stop loss, gang.
The rules of the system are simple. When it touches the bottom Bollinger Band, you buy. When it hits the top one, you sell. Easy.
Done.
100%.
It's done. That's it. It is as easy as that. Look.
Like something off the Ghostbusters.
Look at this. Look at that. Make bank. Short it there. Short it again. Short it again. Boom. Drop. So clean. Who even needs price action?
And when that band goes up with no candles near it,
yeah,
that's what you want to see.
Yeah, that's exactly what you want to see.
I don't know what it means, but
yeah, you don't need to. You just it's as clear as day. But no, this has been a really good week. Have you guys on Zoom had a profitable week?
Yeah.
Good.
I've had a ripper week.
Amazing.
I'm break even this week.
Hey, that's good, man. That's good.
I'm up a little bit.
Good, man. Oh, Craig, you missed the. I'm not gonna say it again, but you did miss. Was that because you missed the EJ? That's pretty annoying.
What do you mean?
Craig missed the EJ stream.
Oh yeah.
I missed that too. That's good. I did like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It was just like I got a huge trade on the 15th. What day was that? Wednesday. And then
You had some nice Asian ones, Mark. You had some very nice Asian ones.
There were some really. I think it's just I've just been reading the market so much differently and more patient. Just with going through all the I guess trading with you guys and obviously learning how you trade it. It's trading smarter, I think.
Yeah.
Because you're looking, rather than looking for entries, you're looking for where people would enter and entering in a different area to that.
Yeah.
That's stop loss.
Oh yeah, literally, yeah. So whenever I see like a massive level of resistance with no liquidity grabs, textbook tells you to sell at resistance, but if we come into a massive level of resistance and with no grabs, I'm buying into that resistance, and I'm selling into the support.
The other thing I've found is with like the whole smart money concepts thing, liquidity grabs and like that thing. They're tying very similar together because they're always targeting extreme highs of where it drove down, which is similar to a liquidity grab.
Yeah, I agree. That's why people ask me all the time, bro, do you trade SMC? I'm like, no, I don't trade SMC. But maybe it looks like there is some similarities, yeah. But in my opinion, SMC is analysis fucking paralysis. There's just way too much going on, whereas I keep it super simple. Since I've adopted your strategy, my win rate has become 80%. Thank you, man. Thomas, amazing work, man. That's incredible to hear. Very, very nice. I think we need to GJ could retrace 50% and then go long. Yeah, I agree. Karen, do you charge for the Zoom and how it works? It's just part of the community. It's just part of the community.
It's more than the Zoom.
Yeah, it's more than Zoom.
Man.
Best community out there. You heard it here first. You got my full course strategy, psychology audios, day trading like this every day, London session. Yeah, we got.
And for the next few weeks, you'll get some shirtless Australians.
Oh hell yeah! Yeah, that's what you're after in the community. This is the place for you. And
best community I've been in.
And we got the Thailand trading retreat coming up in almost less than a month. A month in on Sunday, we got the Thailand trading retreat coming up. I'm super excited for that. I can't wait for that. Could you explain order blocks, please? Do you use them in your own trades, Thomas? I don't use them, man. I don't know what they are. I don't know how to identify them. I'm not too sure what they are. I've seen people talk about them a few times, but I don't know what they are. I don't use them. Look at that. That's the reason that I was happy to just sit on my hands for EJ, because it did exactly what we said, where we could have the fantastic entry and then you just get the shit momentum. So technicals were beautiful, just no volume, and that's what you just have to understand. If there's no volume, you just got to sit on your hands. As much as you want to trade for whatever reason, you have to trade exactly what you see. So these ranging markets are like the times where on stream we share the most value. These are the times where people give back all of their profits. Retailers try to trade, jump in every single 5-minute closure without even understanding that the markets are not trending. So this is make or break time for most retail traders. This is where most retail traders blow up. And that's the reason I've only taken one position today. One position, very, very well managed, and that's the reason I'm not going crazy jumping in every position. So yeah, just taking the markets for exactly what they are at all times. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, let me just drop in a chat. Fucking flies in this room land on me and you're gonna die. Okay, yeah, we are. Where are we? But yeah, YouTube fam, that's it from me today. I'm going to stay on the Zoom with another 10-15 minutes with the community and just see if there's anything else going on. But that's it for me for the London session. Took a nice quick scalp on gold. Not the biggest position, however, we managed the position very, very well and read the markets very, very well. So I'm happy with today's trading session. If you guys did catch gold or you made some money off the GJ calls, amazing. Very, very well done. Remember, I do these streams every Wednesday and Friday here for you guys on YouTube, and later into the future I might even do some Asian session streams as well. So if you guys want me to do that, then just let me know. If you want to check out my other trading traveling videos, then you guys are more than welcome to do so. If not, it's been a pleasure to jump on, and I'll see you guys next Wednesday. Remember, trade safe, don't force anything, trade the markets for exactly what they are, keep your mindset neutral, and yeah, come back for the US session and see what's going on. But I appreciate you guys taking the time to tune in, and have a good rest of the session. I'll see you guys on Wednesday.